Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got another one from Zen Pop. Go to ZenPopJP, use the coupon code the Ramen Reader to get yourself a discount, you know all that. This is come on. Kinchan Ramen from Tokushima, Seifun of Japan. So that's what we're doing. We're going to put this one in there, not this one in there, and this one in there. So, as you can see, it's a bowl, not a cup, as they like to call them. Why they like to call them that, I'm just not sure. Do you have a perfo? I don't want to get up and get sued. Perfo. What we got in here? All sorts of good little bits and pieces that everybody enjoys. Looks like maybe meat. Yeah, a lot of stuff. And then, of course, we have our sachet. I believe this is a 3-minute. I will look in a moment. And here's our powdering. Now, once it's all done and gotten a nice steep, we will add in the liquid sachet. So, here we go. Do a little meow, meow. Lit it. And this is a 3-minute. There we go. So now we're making, now there's my face. So it's getting the plans for the holidays coming up. It looks like we may be driving down for Thanksgiving to my wife's folks. We haven't gone down there for a holiday in 12 years, which is the length of our marriage. So it's like, she's like, it's my turn. I'm like, okay, we can do Christmas up here though, right? She's like, yeah, absolutely. I'm like, okay, deal. All the driving all that way. Yeah, I don't know how pleased I am about that thought. We'll do it. We'll do it. And what else? Yeah, it's a long ways. We'd stop in the middle, stay at a hotel. But good God. Flying down isn't too bad. It'd be $141 a piece, each one of us to go down there. Coming back, however, it would be $400 a piece. Jacked up. Totally jacked up. You're free to move around the country if you have a lot of money. And it's like a 2-day, it's like we'll drive down to Oregon, stay down there, and then drive the rest of the way to the Bay Area. I like our new car, but sitting in that seat for that long, that's just a nightmare. God. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I want to thank everybody for being my therapist. Really, honestly, doing this show is like a total therapist session because it's like there's an eye in front of me. I know people might watch this, and it's, I don't know, it's kind of nice. And then hopefully later I'll get out walking. That set of things, doing that every day, very mentally cleansing. But yeah, God. I guess we're gonna do that. So, I don't know. Hopefully all will go well. And I will return and do more episodes afterwards. One thing's for sure, I'll shoot a lot of footage on the way down and back. To do some time lapses and things like that. So that could be pretty cool. I know the place we'll probably stay at has a lot of forest out back, so I could do some time lapses while we're down there, which gotta be fun. Here we are. Come on over. Let's have a look. Come on. So here we are. And now we've got our. I'm just gonna get a pair of scissors. There's one right here. There's probably one right in front of me too, but. But anyways, on to other things. Yeah, it's Saturday. My wife had to work today. And so that's what's going on. And then she'll get home hopefully around 2. And then I'm going to go out walking because I got to do 5 miles today for a special step challenge. Of course, at the hottest time of the day. So that sucks. Yeah. Getting irritable in my old age. Cheers. Noodle's all right. What have we here? No. Where are those little things? There's one of those little things. That was a meat. I don't know exactly what kind. It's pretty good. Yeah. Stick to your ribsy. This one, it's funny that it just showed up because usually at this time of year they're doing more of like summer assortments and things. That definitely feels like something that would be more stick to your ribsy for winter. Yeah. So there we are. The last episode I was complaining that I lost my mung bean sprouts. I thought maybe somebody threw them away. But no, they were misplaced in the refrigeration unit. So, we have mung bean sprouts. And we have chashu. Gotta love the chashu. Right there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, it is time to refill. Alright. That will be going on in the interim. The interim is the time in between. No. Nope. Yep. Yep. Don't you even. Come on, guys. Well, that's what we get. I don't know, that like threw me for a loop, the whole, we need to do this. Yeah. Just doesn't sound, I mean, I love visiting the in-laws and all. It's just the travel part. It's not appealing. Not at all. I love traveling, but obviously flying is out of the question. Anyways, yeah. Rotato, do your stuff. Well, thanks for watching. Here, if you want to watch, I'm going to fill up this thing. It's pretty easy. It's just got a little valve at the bottom. And then you take a can of this stuff. And, yes, push it in there. And when it starts making that noise, it's good. And then you just kind of let it sit for a few minutes and it's ready to go. I like that. I've had these kind of, where did I put that frickin' there it is. But I've had these kind of things forever, and I used to hear all these different ways you're supposed to fill them. And like, you're supposed to hold it upside down, you're supposed to do this, you're supposed to do that, and they never worked right. My trusty wife, she figures things out by reading directions, so that's cool. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. The next one we're doing is this one right here. This is a Sapporo Ichiban Miso. I did one that's identical to this. Even the the barcode is identical. The only thing difference is this character. But it's the same thing. I don't know. It'll be on the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.